practically at the end of today's trading session, with barely 3 minutes to the close of market. But I just wanted to slip this one in there. That Redbox Entertainment is up today 37.70%, trading at $13.08. And just to remind you guys, I don't see any current PR. The last one that they had was that Redbox Entertainment was acquiring the North American right to a World War II action drama, Come Out Fighting. And then before that, of course, you guys probably heard Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment was going to acquire Redbox, and that was on May 11th. So today I don't see any PR, but if you look at the 5-day graph, this stock has just been performing, going higher and higher without any end in sight. In fact, look at from May 13th, it has moved from about $2.81 to $13.10. So I just wanted to put it out there before we start the weekend. Volume today is at 73 million compared to an average volume of 17 million. 52-week range is from $1.61 all the way up to $27. So thank you for your time. Today wasn't a good day on Wall Street. Look at the top of your screens. Anyways, on your way out, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye now and have a great weekend.